Tonight I'm running sound at the Armadillo Ranch with a console I've never used and a cable loom I built yesterday in my garage. One of those things I'm excited about, the other one terrifies me. So I just picked up a wing rack. It's a huge upgrade from what I've been running, but I haven't had any time to learn it. And this is a full band show, not exactly the place to figure things out. But the thing I'm actually most focused on right now is this cable loom I put together. Because if the loom works, the whole setup gets faster, and I can spend more time figuring out what the hell the wing is, instead of running cables. But then, when the band shows up, I realized the stage plot and input list was wrong.
Oh, are you setting the keys up over there?
Yes. Also, they were an hour early. So now I've got a console I don't know, a loom I've never tested live before, 3 monitors across the front, it's a tight fit, and about half the time I thought I had. But I'm really getting ahead of myself here.
All right, so a couple of things I'm worried about with this is that when somebody an artist asks for something specific, I don't know if I'm gonna know exactly where it is in the actual unit. I don't know if I'm gonna know how to diagnose problems quickly and easily. Got it working pretty good at home, so I don't know, we'll just have to see. We're using the subwoofers. Let's just get these mains put up and then we can focus on the stage. Gotten better at that. Now the goal is to try to fit 3 wedges across. Looks possible at the moment. And then the 4th one's just gonna have to be off to the side. And I'm not gonna feel bad about that. My only concern is a little bit of blowback maybe from here. That'll be all right. Just a little bit close. Okay, let's break the power out. Thought there's one closer.
If there is one closer, I don't know it. From this one again?
Yeah, coupled with a short fella, can see it. And then one back here, I think. Okay, that works. And then we'll get power to 4 wedges first. Let's go all the way 1 to 4. So over here first, into this.
The amount of music venues you go to.
Yeah. Then that's on the other circuit. I guess we should grab the loom and see what it does.
Want to talk about your inspo?
Huh? Oh yeah, so we did the Wilder Blue, I guess, a couple of weeks ago, and they had their engineer come out, and he had a bunch of stuff loomed. So I made my own loom because I'm here almost once a month, and I figured the setup doesn't really change all that much, so I might be able to make a loom that fits the stage. So this is the first iteration of this, and we'll see how it changes over time. But yeah, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, I didn't want to do it like this. Then we'll pull the rest. It's gonna kind of end up here. It's a little bit more neat. What do you think so far?
It's just one little sausage.
Yeah.
So what are all the tails?
So it's for all the floor monitors. You know, that one's not normal, and there's usually just 2 up here. Yeah. So it'd just be I'm using 10-foot XLR cables to connect everything, which I understand is kind of odd. They're also, the best size for them is probably 3 to 5 feet. Probably 5 feet of black XLR cables just to link the tails to here. Hopefully it speeds up the process a little bit. makes it a little bit cleaner, and hopefully at the end of the night, it makes it a little bit quicker to get out of here. If we make smaller cables, I think it'll probably work. Nice. I mean, does it look cleaner?
Yeah, I think the shorter cables would make a difference too.
Yeah. So, you know, I think that's cleaner. This still looks messy to me. Messier, that's the question.
No, I don't think so.
All right. There's also an out for the front fill.
That one needs to be about 2 inches.
Yeah.
Just plug directly.
Possible? Yeah.
Looky there.
Yeah. It also needs the power. I feel like that was a lot quicker of a setup than it typically is. What about you?
Yeah, like you were just running one sausage.
Yeah, quit calling it a sausage. I don't care for that.
Okay, you were running one burrito.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. We'll make it better, I think. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. We'll let all that turn on, and then I'm gonna come back over here and I'm gonna string my Cat 5 across. Out of A, or into A. Leave a little bit of slack over here. All right. And then out of A. And they should have a connection. Yep, it sees it. Sweet. So we got that done. I also have my wedges to slip under here, I think. Might be a good idea. Although I feel like they can kind of stand a little further back and be okay. That's okay. I'm going to throw these cables down, and we'll make sure that we have signal coming through. No residue. We're all good. Buckle 1. Vox 4 will be for the opener. All right, I'm going to string these down. That's 2. This is 3. Yeah, I don't know if this is any cleaner, man. It seems kind of rat nesty back here. Do we need to make another loom? It's less bulky than a snake. Who is that?
Well, this is probably one of them. But I said they're early. Because they did not say.
That looks like such an effing mess to me. Is it not to you?
I mean, it is pretty messy.
Like, doesn't it look like way more
But
mess
like,
than
think
normal?
about the loom in context of the norm versus like this isn't the norm. This
Yeah, I
is 2
guess.
more people than the norm.
Yeah.
So when you think about like what it would normally look like, it probably will look significantly tidier because it's less people.
I think it still would make it quicker to have like an instrument, like a line-in loom. It's just a lot of cables to make. It's like a lot of moolah. You know what I mean? So bass, plug that in right here. Keys left. This is what I'm nervous about, the keys. I'm not really sure how stereo channels work on the wing. I'm really kind of worried about that. How's it gonna come out?
Are the colors like different?
Like
on the thing, they just look brighter.
Um,
That's just because there's more colors. I feel like there's more colors on it.
They might look different. I don't know. Hey, check 1, 2. Hey. Hey, check. Hey, check 1, 2. All right, now, keys. All right. I don't know what that is. Oh, are you setting the keys up over there?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Y'all's rider's the opposite.
Oh, sorry, that totally slipped my mind.
You're good.
Yeah, Greg's playing everything on the set.
I'm just not gonna really rush this because we really have another hour. It's just making sure all these were working. Hey, check 1, 2. And hey, check 1, 2. Hey, 1, 2, check. Hey. This is gonna be an interesting gig, Mary. I think we're ready. Hey, if you guys are ready, I think we're good to go. My name's Connor, by the way. Yeah. Zach, it's good to meet you. Greg, nice to meet you, man. Claire, nice to meet you. Connor. George, good to meet you, man. Like, so you want to move this a little back? So you'd be.
I think I should stagger like last night. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll go for like this kind of thing. But yeah, anywhere around here.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's easy.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, you got that color box on your.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we actually run out of that.
Okay.
Guy.
Oh, you can plug in right over there. Yeah. There's like a power source. Just go back behind the. I'll show you. Just like if it fits. Maybe it doesn't fit. Yeah.
That's better. Possible. We'll end up playing with electric instead of acoustic.
All right. So just to be sure, you think we're gonna swap out your acoustic so I can just.
Yeah, you can nix the acoustic.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull your acoustic line over here.
Yeah.
Just go from here to there.
And yeah, is one of those the openers and one of them his? Or?
Yeah, he's already plugged in. That's
He's
an
already
opener.
plugged in. Oh,
You
okay.
got your
Never
vocal
mind.
mic
That's
up.
accordion,
That's
yeah.
accordion, and then your
We're good.
keys.
Yeah.
I got your.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Kick it on back, it's cool in the river, let your feet get wet. Ooh, honey, it would be fine to walk in the water with your head in mine. Thank you.
What?
How was mixing it all the week?
I have way overdone it on the serial mixing, bus compression type shit. My effects synths kind of suck. I don't even have a delay going. I went way too hard on the bus compression. And I need to make some groups. But other than that, I think I'm okay.
Okay, the new goal is to just make it so we get out of here as fast as possible. So that means spending money. Are you okay with that? We just gotta buy more cable and connectors because I'm gonna make looms out my ass.
Go, go, go. We got like 3 minutes left.
That's not gonna work. Is that the last battery?
No, on your pack here.
Behringer Wing Rack I am a fan of. My cable looms I am a fan of, and they need work. I need to make more. Did it look horrible?
It looked funny. I liked it.